Add density curve on the histogram. I am able to make histogram in Python, but I am unable to add density curve. I see many code which are using different ways to add density curve on histogram, but I am not sure how to get on my code. I have added density equals true but not able to get density curve on histogram.
Pandas also has KDE plot. Output. Distplot has been removed in a future version of seaborn. Therefore, alternatives are to use histplot and distplot. sns.histplot. Distplot has been removed. Here is an approach using distplot method of seaborn. Also, mentioned in the comments.
If you want to stop channel, you can still like it as a hobby.